Bit-bit ang backs against the wall mentality. Handa na nga ba ang Meralco Bolts sa do or die Game 5 kontra TNT Tropang 5G? At para sa kanilang kapitan na si Chris Newsome, malinaw ang susi, depensa, bilis at lalim ng rotation. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa pag-abante ni Carlo Villaseñor.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Ramdam ni Chris Newsome kung saan pinakamalaking naaapektuhan ang Meralco Bolts sa kanyang pagkawala matapos bumigay ang Bolts sa TNT Tropang 5G sa Game 4 ng PBA Philippine Cup Semifinals. Mula sa sidelines, malinaw para kay Newsome na nahirapan ng Meralco na pigilan ng mga ratsada ng TNT, lalo na sa yugto kung saan kailangan ng stability, control at malinaw na daloy ng opensa. Karaniwan, si Newsome ang nagiging pangalan sa ganitong mga sandali, tumutulong magpakalma ng laro at magbigay ng direksyon sa magkabilang dulo ng court.
There's a lot of things that I feel like I can impact the game, both offensively and defensively. So maybe during those stretches where Talking Tex went on their runs, I'm usually the guy that can help stabilize the team and try to get us a rhythm or a flow and a fight back. That being said, yes, those are things that I can contribute, but those are also some qualities that some of my other teammates have as well, and I think it's just a matter of them stepping up into that role and accepting that role.
Gayunman, binigyan din niya na ang ganong papel ay hindi dapat nakataang sa iisang manlalaro lamang. Sa kanyang pananaw, nasa grupo ang responsibilidad na punan ang kakulangan mula sa pagkuha ng tamang tira, mas maayos na ball movement, hanggang sa pagtanggap ng mas malalaking papel sa mahalagang sandali.
So they can essentially do the same things that I can do, whether that's making plays offensively or getting stops defensively. And as you know me, I take more pride in defense. So for me, it's who's going to be able to step in and get those stops for us and be able to put their foot down defensively and really, focus on getting those stops, because I think that's where my presence is felt the most, is the defensive end of the floors.
Pinakamalinaw para kay Newsome ang naging buwang sa depensa. Kilala bilang isa sa pangunahing stopper ng Bolts, nakita niya kung paano nakahanap ng kumpiyansa ang TNT sa opensa nang mawalan ang Meralco ng consistent stops. Isang aspeto ng laro na madalas niyang inaangkla kapag nasa loob ng court.
Tough game tonight, yes. There's a lot of things we could have done, but we're just going to have to go back on the drawing board and see what we can do better, especially if I'm not on the court, and find ways where we can get the ball moving a bit more. And get some more stops.
Habang papasok sa critical na Game 5, alam ng kampo ng Meralco na kinakailangan ng mas mabilis na adjustments, lalo na kung mananatiling limitado ang availability ni Newsome. Para sa Bolts, malinaw ang hamon, humanap ng paraan upang maibalik ang ritmo, palakasin ang depensa at kolektibong punan ang kakulangan habang nasa binggit ang pagkalaglag ang kanilang kampanya. Ako si Carlo Villaseñor, Abante Sports, now na.